Hey guys! Today we're making some healthy chicken cutlets. They're light, super tasty, and yeah, crazy easy to whip up. If you're trying to eat clean but still want something that actually tastes good, you're gonna love this one. Stick with me. I've got a couple tricks up my sleeve to make these cutlets hit even harder. And hey, if you're into easy, yummy recipes like this, don't forget to like the video and smash that subscribe button. Once you grate the onion, make sure to squeeze out all the juice. Seriously, don't skip this. Too much liquid and your cutlets will fall apart or taste kinda bland. Chopped parsley adds such an amazing flavor, don't skip it. And if you're into it, a little bit of dill can take it to the next level too. Take the chicken breast and either grate it or toss it in a food processor or blender, whatever works for you. Just make sure it's nicely minced. After squeezing out the onion juice, add a grated garlic clove, 1 egg, and a heaping spoon of oat flour. This mix will give your cutlets great flavor and help everything stick together perfectly. Now it's spice time. Add some salt, black pepper, and just a touch of turmeric to bring the flavors together. This healthy chicken cutlet is a perfect option when you want something both tasty and nutritious. It's low in fat since it's baked, not fried, and high in protein thanks to the chicken breast. With parsley, garlic, and spices, it's not just flavorful but full of health benefits too. Pair it with veggies or Greek yogurt for a light, balanced meal, great for dinner or anyone on a diet. Shape them however you like and place them on a baking tray. I usually go for round patties. They look cute and cook evenly. Then pop them in the oven at 180 C350 F for about 30 minutes, until they're nicely baked and golden. I usually serve it with bell peppers and lettuce. It looks colorful and tastes amazing. But feel free to pair it with any veggies you like. It even goes great with some Greek yogurt on the side for a healthy combo. Hope you enjoyed this tasty cutlet recipe. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and drop a comment if you've got any questions or thoughts. See you in the next recipe. Take care.